Hello, everyone. Today I want to show how you can automate your Microsoft Outlook and Excel tasks. Please keep watching. Let's just navigate to a folder named z_ppc. We are going to this folder just because we have programmed Excel to save Outlook attachments in this folder. Please allow me to align the windows so that I can show you how the whole system works. This system is developed in such a way that it will save only Excel files from Outlook email. When I click a button on Excel file, Excel will save this attachment to my computer hard disk. In this case, the file will be saved to z_ppc folder. You can change the location as you wish. Now I am going to open the file which contains all the VBA code to accomplish the task. Notice when I click on this Get Email button, it will save all matching Excel documents to the z_ppc folder. As I have programmed Excel like this, you may change it as per your requirements. When I click the Get Email button, Excel will search for below criteria to save the attachments. 1. Email receive date, as we want to work with only recent emails and skip previous emails. 2. Email sender, as we want to work with emails those are sent by specific sender. 3. Email subject, as same sender may send several emails, so we want to select our required one, not all of them. 4. Email attachment type, as we want to save and work with only Excel files. Please note you can change the name of the attachment while saving it to your computer hard disk. In this case, Excel has saved the file with my desired name. The Outlook attachment and the saved file are the same Excel document. You can understand it just by comparing the size of these two files. Since Excel could find only one match for the above criteria, that's why it saved only one file. On the other hand, if Excel could find more than one match, then it would have saved all of them. Let's look at the data sheet first. As you can see, all the data is updated till February 12th. Now when I click on Get Data, Excel will open the saved Outlook attachment and insert all entries to the data sheet of this main file. This data insertion process is done seamlessly, so you won't even notice a thing. In the background, Excel will open files and update entries, then close the source file. As you can see, those data are added at the bottom of the list of data sheet. Now let's just match the updated data with this saved Outlook attachment. Here is the result. All these three entries are exactly equal to the Outlook attachment. If we move to the Sent Items folder of our Outlook, you will notice the last sent email was about Order File Receive History. From Microsoft Excel we can send an email of this updated data with just one mouse click. For better visibility, we are arranging the windows again. Okay, I am going to click on this Send Mail button. VBA code will take care of the rest. After sending email, Excel will automatically close the main file. Since we don't need the Excel window anymore, we are closing this and going to make the Outlook window big. Please note I had to hide all the email addresses for safety purposes. Now look at the Outlook status bar, it's saying sending message 1 of 1. Well, technically you don't have to press send/receive all folders command. Outlook will send the email automatically as we have provided this instruction by VBA programming. There is one important point though. Please note, you must keep your Outlook application open for this whole process to work automatically. And tasks of these three buttons can be combined into one, then these three processes will be done in single mouse click.